Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, what are the names of the Wright brothers credited with inventing airplane? A. Paul and John. B. Charles and Henry. C. Thomas and George. D. Wilbur and Orville. The correct option is D. Wilbur and Orville. Next question. In which country the sun does not set for 76 days? A. Finland. B. Japan. C. Norway. D. Pakistan. The correct option is C. Norway. Next question. Which creature's brain is bigger than its body? A. Fish. B. Ant. C. Spider. D. Ostrich. The correct option is B. Ant. Next question. What is the financial capital of India? A. Chennai. B. New Delhi. C. Mumbai. D. Kolkata. The correct option is C. Mumbai. Next question. Which is a green planet in our solar system? A. Earth. B. Uranus. C. Venus. D. Pluto. The correct option is B. Uranus. Next question. Which Indian city is called as the gate to Makkah? A. Mumbai. B. New Delhi. C. Surat. D. Baroda. The correct option is C. Surat. Next question. Which is the second largest wall in the world? A. Great Wall of China. B. Berlin Wall. C. Korean Wall. D. Wall of Kumbhalgarh Fort. The correct option is D. Wall of Kumbhalgarh Fort. Next question. India is the largest producer and exploiter of which minerals? A. Iron ore. B. Copper. C. Bauxite. D. Makah. The correct option is D. Makah. Next question. Which planet is not a gaseous planet in our solar system? A. Saturn. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Uranus. The correct option is B. Mars. Next question. Beriberi is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin K. C. Vitamin B1. D. Vitamin B12. The correct option is C. Vitamin B1. Next question. Which is the largest desert present in Asia? A. Sahara Desert. B. Gobi Desert. C. Atacama Desert. D. Thara Desert. The correct option is B. Gobi Desert. Next question. Which is the hottest continent in the world? A. Asia. B. Europe. C. Africa. D. Australia. The correct option is C. Africa. Next question. Which mountain changes its color every day? A. Ice rock. B. Nanda Devi. C. Makulu. D. Mount Everest. The correct option is A. Ice rock. Next question. In which layer of the Earth atmosphere is the ozone layer found? A. Mesosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Stratosphere. D. Ionosphere. The correct option is C. Troposphere. Next question. Name the second largest planet in our solar system. A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Uranus. D. Neptune. The correct option is B. Saturn. Next question. Which is the most fastest flying bird in the world? A. Eagle. B. Sparrow. C. Peregrine falcon. D. Hummingbird. The correct option is C. Peregrine falcon. Next question. The Great Victoria Desert is located in which country? A. India. B. Russia. C. Australia. D. Mongolia. The correct option is C. Australia. Next question. Which gas is filled in air balloons? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Helium. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct option is C. Helium. Next question. What color is in the middle of the rainbow? A. Green. B. Blue. C. Yellow. D. Violet. The correct option is A. Green color. Next question. Which country is the largest producer of aluminum in the world? A. Brazil. B. Russia. C. Jamaica. D. China. The correct option is C. Jamaica. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.